Welcome back to another Daishinfinity video. In this video we're going to talk about the proof of the ratio rule of logarithms. It states that the logarithm in base a of x is equal to logarithm of base c of x divided by logarithm in base c of a. So in this video I'm going to try and prove this formula using many different properties. First of all, let's let some y equal to the logarithm of base b of a. In fact, I'm very sorry, we set base a of x. Now if we would take the a to the something on both sides, which would mean I would take the base on both sides, I would have a to the y is equal to logarithm a times a to the logarithm of a of x, which is just equal to x, using the property that any number a to the log of base a to x, or any number, is equal to the number itself. Now if we would continue, I would like to take another logarithm on both sides. So let's take, for instance, the logarithm of I'm very sorry to say that one is an error. Like, an idea to do here is to introduce another base under it, so some kind of a base c under it, but we have to keep the whole expression the same. Now to do it the same, we just talked about the property of that one, so we would just take the logarithm of c on both sides. And since y is an exponent, we can take the y and put it in front, because the y is like the exponent of the logarithm. So we would get c to the y times log in base c of a is equal to c to the x. I'm sorry, c to the log of base c of x. Now, the thing we are going to do now is just cancel out the whole c as a base by introducing the log of base of c on both sides. So I'll get log base c on both sides, canceling out the log of c and the log of c, and then we'll get y times log of c of a is equal to log in base c of x. Now to get y by itself, because y is equal to the first expression we had, we would divide by log of c of a not equaling 0, which would never equal 0 because c is greater than 1. And y is just going to be equal to log base c of x divided by log base c of a. And the c can be any real number bigger than 1, okay? This is the important rule, not being equal to 0 or not being equal to 1. And yeah, it should be greater than 0. And obviously we can choose any c, so we can take the natural logarithm on both sides, so natural log of x divided by natural log of a, or any number, for example 2 for the binary logarithm binary 2 of x divided by log of 2 of 1 of a, I'm sorry. Now since we have proven this formula, the video is ending now, and I would like to say thank you for watching this video, and see you next time in the next Daishinfinity video. See ya.